Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to boost or lower morale using in-game editor in Football Manager 2024. So this is the squad action. Before we start, I made this video is for beginner new into this game. Still confusing how you can challenge how you can create a tactics here, and how you can build up the formation, and also how you can manage your club by its finance or the player motivation also. And also you can get this game for free if you make subscription into the Netflix app, so you can directly install this game for free. Let's get started. Tap your club, tap the first team, and tap the edit button. This is the in-game editor that you can get. This is licensed, no need to worry. Tap the team actions. This one, squad action. You can lower morale of your team or boost morale of your team here. And tap to confirm if you're done. And also you can boost the morale and lower morale of your opponent also, so you can injure your opponent before the match. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And so click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.